Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm sharing a video every single day this month. Since today is Sunday, that means it is Scary Harry Sunday, so I will be sharing a Harry Potter themed project today using my Scary Harry Halloween digital collection, which is currently on sale for 25% off. If you're interested, there will be a link in the description bar for you guys to purchase and download and create your own Scary Harry themed projects. But today I am creating an embellishment box that is Scary Harry themed. So this pumpkin paper is one of the digital papers. I cut it down to fit on top of the embellishment box that I showed at the beginning of this video. That was from the Dollar Tree, and I finally found some, so I was super excited about that. And then I cut down some black cardstock to make like a little banner, and these little die cuts are also from the collection. But I decided that this project needed some extra sparkle, so I'm using some orange glitter washi tape that I found this year at the Target dollar spot, and I just cut that down into a little flag shape as well, just to mimic that black cardstock. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere down these die cuts. So there's a pumpkin and two little potion bottles. I think they're super cute. I'm really proud of them. So when I was creating this collection, what I did was I watercolored all of the elements and then pulled them into my computer and did a little bit of digital magic on them, but not too much. And I'm really happy with how they all turned out. So as we all know, at Hogwarts there is the floating candle ceiling, so I'm trying to mimic that here a little bit. So I glued down the center candle straight onto the paper, and then I bumped up the little feather with some Tombow glue dots because they have just a little bit of dimension, and then I used some foam tape on the back of these other two candles to kind of make it look like things are a little bit magical and floaty there. And then I used some gold glitter thickers from American Crafts to write out Enchanted, and then these little black alphas are from Elle Studio. And again, I will leave links to everything down below for you guys in case you see a product that you want to pick up for yourself. Now, I kind of feel like a project isn't totally complete until there are enamel dots or gemmies or some extra kind of sparkly bits on my project. So here I'm adding just some little enamel dots and gems from my stash. I think the colors go really well, and I'm glad to use up some of the orange and yellowy colors because I don't reach for those a lot throughout the year. So I look towards Creepy Crafty Days to be able to make a dent in those colors. And here I'm using some Tombow Extreme adhesive to apply my front panel on top of the embellishment box. And I think it's super cute, but I did want to add one more final embellishment on the front, and that is a black glitter spider. This was a sticker, but I just peeled off the sticky part of it because I want to lay flat on top of the box. But here I'm going to go ahead and start filling up my embellishment box. So I have these black and white crinkles from the Dollar Tree. I think they're from the Dollar Tree maybe last year. And I'm going to include some little paper clips that are pumpkin shaped. Some brads from my stash. I never use brads, so I figure I will pass these along and share them. As well as some little black glittery balls. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. They're really fun to add to projects. Some little plastic buttons, so there's some little ghosts and some little words that say boo. A little sequin mix that I made in a tiny little bag. A black cat pin. I think this would be really fun to pop on the front of a rosette. Same with these orange glittery spider stickers. I think they're super sparkly and fun. A cute stamp that I got as part of a Target set this year. Some orange glittery balls because glitter, you can't have enough, right? I mean, all the glitter. Some little clothespins in black, white, and orange to go with the theme. Some little pumpkin stickers that would be really cute to add to smaller embellishments. And then finally some black plastic spiders because again, it ties in with the whole theme and the little spider on the front of the box. So this is today's project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to check out my Scary Harry collection and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!